Spreadsheets are made up of rectangles called cells. You can click inside each cell to type in it. Cells are organized into rows and columns. A row is a horizontal set of cells labeled with a number. A column is a vertical set of cells and is labeled with a letter. Every cell has an address based on its column and row. For example, this cell is called A1 because it is in column A, row 1. This cell is D5 or column D, row 5. To move around the spreadsheet, click on the different cells or use the arrow keys on the keyboard. The first row, row 1, is going to be your header row. That means this row will describe what's in the contents of the cells in the columns below it. In column A, you're going to list all the supplies you need. Then in column B, you'll list your budget for each supply. Click on the cell A1. Type in the word supplies, then press Enter or Return. Now, click on cell B1. Type in the word budget. Then press Enter or Return. Since row 1 is going to be your header row, it should stand out from the rest of the contents on the spreadsheet. To accomplish this, make the text in row 1 bold. On the left side of the spreadsheet, you'll find the row numbers. Click the number 1. This will select all of row 1. Once you've selected row 1, click the bold icon from the toolbar just above your spreadsheet. This will bold the text in the row. Bolding makes text thicker and easier to see. Now it's your turn. Type supplies in cell A1. Type budget in cell B1. And select and bold row 1. Then click Next to watch the next video.